Hi everyone, my name is Gökhan. I have been working as a professional software engineer for 10 years. Now I am sharing my experiences with you. Today we are going to learn the popular JavaScript framework Angular. Let's start with the introduction part. Angular is a TypeScript-based open-source web application framework developed by the Angular team at Google and by a community of open-source developers. It is designed as a framework with a whole ecosystem for mobile and desktop, including web applications. If you decide to use Angular, you don't need any additional frameworks. As I said, it comes as a whole ecosystem, for instance from templating to HTTP requests, etc. You can develop across all platforms. With Angular, you can build web, mobile web, native mobile, and native desktop applications. Speed and performance. Although it is not the best framework if it comes to the performance and speed, but it is good enough, I would say. It provides help and feedback with nearly every IDE and editor. It is used by millions of developers in the world. Some Google's largest applications are also built on Angular. Angular provides lots of features and benefits. Let's take a look at some features. As I said, it's cross-platform. With Angular, you can build apps for almost each device. For instance, progressive web apps. You can easily build high-performance, offline, modern web applications. You can build native apps with native script and hybrid apps with Ionic or Apache Cordova. You can also build desktop applications in combination, for example, with Electron. Code splitting. I think this is one of the most important features. Angular apps load quickly with the new component router, which delivers automatic code splitting, so users only load code required to render the view they request. This is also known as lazy loaded modules. Productivity. When it comes to productivity, you can create, start building fast, add components and tests, and then instantly deploy with command line tools, which is actually very helpful. Full development cycle. With Karma for unit tests, you can write unit tests for your apps. And with Protractor, you can make your end-to-end tests. When it comes to animations, you can create high-performance, complex animations with Angular. As you can see, Angular comes with a bunch of features, which makes it an interesting framework for developers. The first version is called AngularJS, and it has some differences between Angular and AngularJS. Angular was designed as a ground-up rewrite of AngularJS, and it does not have a concept of scope or controllers like in AngularJS. Instead, it uses components as its primary architectural characteristic. Angular has a different expression syntax. Much core functionality has moved to modules, and Angular recommends the use of TypeScript language, which introduces features like static typing, generics, etc. And TypeScript is a superset of ECMAScript 6 and is backwards compatible with ECMAScript 5. Are great help for developers if you want to develop secure applications rapidly and if you don't want to reinvent the wheel. There are also other great JavaScript frameworks such as React or Vue.js. I wrote an article on my Medium blog page and made a comparison between popular JavaScript frameworks. If you are interested, you can find the link below in the description. So, with that being said, that was the introduction to the Angular framework. See you in the next part. Until then, bye bye.